Thank you. Thank Honorable Brenda Lalabalavu for his question. We've moved far in terms of the developments for new hospitals. As you are aware, mentioned in this August House in terms of the new rehabilitation hospital in Tamavua. Currently, our work on that area in terms of site preparation has been done. You visit Tamavua, now you will see all the parts of the old hospital have been put down, and the next phase now is have the preparatory phase so that Koika can start to do its work. Even Koika has gone beyond as in the tendering phase of their work. In other areas, in terms of the new super speciality hospital that is to be built by the government of India, that is something on our part we've done in terms of the land. And now it is with the government of India in terms of their processes. And once we start with that, then we'll look at how we will operationalize of those plans. And there is also a development within the public hospital as well in terms of the CWM. It is an issue right now we're having in terms of the master plan, which is being funded by DFED, and that master plan will aid and outline the need in terms of building on the current hospital or a new one, and that is it's in the process. And while at the same time with the master plan and initial PIP plan was developed to ensure that certain areas or certain things within CWM continues to function, such as water, fire safety, and the other issues to do with PIP plan. And that is, at the initial stages, is something we will try and look after so that CWM continues to have some functionality before we branch into the long-term aspect, and that is to build on the current hospital or totally new site altogether.
Thank you, Honorable. So, anything on the new maternity unit for CWM Hospital, which is now being used as a car park, sir?
Initially, that was done by the previous government, and I believe part of the plan was shelved because of COVID. And as I've said, the master plan is what will guide us into see how we will utilize that space. As I've said, it can be for the new hospital or part of the new hospital, while at the same time planning for other sites as well in terms of other services.